Recalled food in Slovenia in month of November 2023. Mercator recalled chicken meat in October 2023 that was contaminated with salmonella. Salmonella is a bacterium that can cause food poisoning. Symptoms of food poisoning can include diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and fever. Lidl recalled dairy products in November 2023 that were contaminated with listeria. Listeria is a bacterium that can cause food poisoning, which can also be fatal. Symptoms of food poisoning can include headache, fatigue, chills, muscle aches, and swollen lymph nodes. Hofer recalled eggs in November 2023 that were contaminated with salmonella. Spar recalled fruits and vegetables in November 2023 that contained pesticide residues. Pesticide residues in food can cause a variety of health problems, such as allergies, poisoning, and even cancer. Two recalled prepared foods in November 2023 that were not properly prepared. Improper preparation of food, such as undercooking, can lead to infection with bacteria such as Salmonella, Campylobacter, and Listeria. These bacteria can cause a variety of health problems, including diarrhea, vomiting, and in extreme cases, even death. Measures. All retailers were requested to remove the unsafe food from sale and return it to the producers. Consumers who purchased unsafe food were advised to return it to the store where they purchased it. Additional information. All of the cases described above were detected as part of routine inspections carried out by inspection services in Slovenia. The inspections were conducted under the Food Safety Act. Consumer advice. Consumers are advised to always check the expiration date of food before purchase and to store food in appropriate conditions.